Ever found yourself in a chaotic project, trying to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and communication all at once? It can be a real headache, right? Well, that's where project management tools like ClickUp come in. They promise to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized. But one crucial question often arises. Does ClickUp have messaging? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Understanding ClickUp's core features. Recap. Before we get to the messaging part, let's quickly recap what ClickUp is all about. It's a versatile project management tool that offers features like task management, time tracking, and collaboration. Task management. ClickUp's task management system is robust, allowing you to create tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Time tracking. If you need to keep tabs on how much time is spent on specific tasks, ClickUp's time tracking feature can help. Collaboration. One of ClickUp's strengths is its collaboration features. You can create shared workspaces, invite team members, and collaborate on tasks together. Section 2. The messaging dilemma. The question. So, now comes the big question. Does ClickUp have messaging capabilities? While it might seem like a no-brainer for a project management tool, the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Limited messaging. While ClickUp does offer some basic messaging features, they are quite limited compared to dedicated communication platforms like Slack or Teams. Task comments. ClickUp's primary method of communication is through task comments. You can leave comments on specific tasks, discuss details, and even attach files. Limitations. However, task comments can become cumbersome for more extensive discussions or real-time collaboration. Section 3. Workarounds and alternatives. Integrating with other tools. If ClickUp's messaging features fall short of your needs, you can always integrate it with other communication tools. For example, you could use Slack for general team communication and ClickUp for project management. Third-party integrations. ClickUp offers a wide range of integrations, so you can find a tool that complements its features and provides the messaging capabilities you require. Considering other project management tools. If messaging is a top priority for your team, you might want to explore other project management tools that offer more robust communication features. Section 4. Making the right choice for your team. Evaluate your needs. To determine if ClickUp is the right fit for your team, it's essential to evaluate your specific needs. Consider factors like the size of your team, the complexity of your projects, and your communication preferences. Consider alternatives. If messaging is a critical aspect of your workflow, you might want to explore alternatives like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com, which offer more advanced communication features. Trial and error. The best way to find the perfect project management tool is to try different options and see what works best for your team. Many of these tools offer free trials or limited time plans, so you can test them out before committing. So, to answer the question, does ClickUp have messaging? Yes, it does, but its messaging features are somewhat limited compared to dedicated communication platforms. Weigh the pros and cons. Whether ClickUp is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. If messaging is a top concern, you might want to explore other options. If you're still unsure, consider trying ClickUp's free trial or exploring other project management tools to find the best fit for your team. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with ClickUp's messaging features, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time.